unit we will discuss in 8th grade honors high school physical science will be electricity and magnetism. This unit will take between 2.5 to 3 weeks. The first thing we will look at will be Ohm's law. And in this part of the unit, students will be able to describe the relationship among voltage, current, and resistance, and tell me what's happening if one of those three variables is held constant, using terms like directly related or indirectly related. They will also be given the mathematical formula for Ohm's law and be asked to support a claim regarding the same relationships that they could already be able to describe. So in this part, they're going to have to use the formulas from the formula sheet that they will be given. The next part of the unit, they will look at series and parallel circuits. Within this part of the unit, they should be able to describe the difference between direct and alternating current. They will use models and create their own models to show the flow of electricity in both series and parallel circuits. And finally, they will have to be able to describe the advantages and disadvantages of both series and parallel circuits. The last thing that we'll look at in this unit will be electromagnets, motors, and generators. And students should be able to describe how all of these works, as well as plan and carry out investigations to look at the relationship between magnetism and the movement of electrical charges. In this part of the unit, I plan to have students research a type of device that uses electromagnetism and describe how it works, as well as draw a picture of it. This will get students to think about how we use these devices in everyday life. This unit will consist of 2 minor grades and 1 major grade. If students need help, they need to go to Google Classroom, and I plan on providing extra resources here for them to use, such as PowerPoints and helpful videos, as well as worksheets or any enrichment work we may do. PhET Interactive Simulations also has some really good things for the students to look at. If you're looking at electromagnetism or magnetism or even electricity, it's more hands-on and students can manipulate different things. I plan to work with this in class some, but there are some other good things that students can work on at home. If you have any questions about what we're covering in class, you can email me at whitney.dady@hcve.net, or you can use the Remind group to directly message me.